Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to see how you can delete your Kling AI account. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'd have to do is log into your Kling AI, for which you have to open any kind of browser. I'm going to use Google Chrome. Here you can see I have opened the browser and now go to the search bar and start typing app.klingai.com. So after typing that down, now tap on the enter button on your keyboard and this will take you to the official website of Kling AI. Here you can see this is the official website and I've already been logged in because I logged in my account previously. So if you're not logged in, first of all log in, and after making sure that you are logged into your Kling AI, what you're going to do is click on this option profile page right here. Here you can see this is my profile, and now since the screen is a little zoom out, you have to now slide a little on the left like this, and here you can see the profile settings right here. You can click on it, and after clicking on profile settings, here you will be able to see the option of delete account right here. So all you have to do is simply just click on the delete account, and now a verification code will be sent to your mail. Simply just open your mail inbox. Here you can see this is my mail inbox and Kling AI has sent me a notification. Simply just open it. And here you can see this is the verification code. Copy this code and then go back to the page and paste it right there. Paste it right here, just like this. And all you have to do is click on delete account. And just like this, you have been logged out of your account and you have now successfully deleted your Kling AI account. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.